just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to make a custom column for specific conversion actions in Google Ads. So this is important if you're tracking multiple conversions and you want to be able to report to your clients on certain KPIs, or B, just be able to monitor your performance on different KPIs with different columns in your view. At any rate, to do this, you just go to columns, modify columns, and then custom columns. Click add a custom column. I usually make one for the total KPI and then one for cost per booked, per cost per. I've already made the booked meeting one, so I'll show you how I set that up. But right now I'm just going to make one for cost per booked meeting. So if you want to make a custom column for a specific conversion, you will go to column, conversions, and then all conversions. And then on the right side over here, go ahead and find the booking, Calendly booking. So if you were just going to do the conversions themselves, it would look something like this. We want to do cost per, so we'll add one more column in front, cost divided by, and then the all conversions. Then you click save, and we'll just put it in action over here. I'll go ahead and make a simple view, cost. This is my go-to view. And then what we'll do is set it up like this, and then push all of these up to the front. So and this is really like the classic use case for these different conversions. I've got my top of funnel conversions, aka signups, and then my bottom of funnel, which are booked meetings. So you click apply, and boom. So this is the number of sign-up conversions that we have and the cost per sign-up. And this is the number of booked meeting conversions. Go to last month because we should have more data. Yeah, here we go. And this is booked meetings and the cost per booked meeting. Cool. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to do that. Hopefully you found that helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Have a great day.